lead base and tin base. So always remember that in most cases, lead-based white metal will be sufficient for stern tube bearing applications and will also be the most economic option. So if we will buy for the economic option, so we will use the white metal. So if ever for any reason, so we will use for tin base, because tin base is for ice class Navy vessels or environmental regulations that recommended. It is white metal is more suitable when dynamics loads can occur. So that's it. Next. So there are two main functions of stern tube bearing. First is to properly connect the propeller to the ship. So we all know that the propeller is connected to the ship through the shaft. So to make it connected properly, we use stern tube bearing. And second function of it is to keep water from leaking into the stern tube and lubricant from leaking out. So to avoid from water to leak into our stern tube or to the inside of the ship, so it is the main function of it. And also the to avoid the lubricant leaking out. So, as what I've said earlier, there is a lubricating oil inside inside between the shaft and the stern tube bearing. So next is, so this is the critical areas of maximum bearing pressure. So in some transient operating conditions, the pressure at the propeller facing end of the stern tube bearing reaches critical levels as shown in the red diagram inserted into this graphic. So to ensure hydrodynamic lubrication, higher grade cells should be used. So when the propeller is rotating, so it has a pressure facing end of the stern tube bearing. So when we can see the picture, when the propeller is rotating, it can create pressure through the end of the stern tube bearing. That's why we need